Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by locating the Photos app and removing any blocks. Open the app library and search exactly Photos. If it appears, drag it back to home. Once done, make sure screen time isn't restricting the app. Go to Settings, Screen Time, Content and Privacy, turn off any limits or allow photos explicitly. Also check that iOS is up to date. Updates fix missing app bugs, so install any pending updates before moving on to recovery steps. Next, attempt to restore from the App Store or iCloud. Search the App Store for Photos. If you see a cloud download icon, tap it to reinstall. If Photos does not appear, toggle iCloud Photos off and on to force the app to re-register with your account. This can make it visible again. Once toggled, check Home Screen and App Library. If icons are still missing, reset the home screen layout in Settings, General. Reset. This restores default placements without erasing data. To finish, perform a force restart to clear transient glitches. Use your model's button sequence and wait for the Apple logo. If Photos still doesn't appear, back up your device to iCloud or to a computer now. Backups protect your images. Then restore the phone from that backup using Finder or iTunes, which reinstalls system apps. If this fails, one key troubleshooting tip. Check that the device isn't managed by MDM or a profile restricting apps. Remove any profiles in Settings before repeating the restore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.